Good afternoon, all of you. We are going to make a video. As we all know that in our state, in MP, there is a election is about to come, and we have decided to do some kind of thing that I am going to ask. There are some candidates in my class, and we are just trying to help others who are watching the videos, and we are trying to improve our English with the help of such kind of activities. So today I have decided to do some different kind of activities in which there are two candidates from two different parties, and they are going to give the review about the election, that who is going to be win, and after going to be win, what they will do for the public, and what they will do for themselves also. So these kinds of questions we are going to, and we have not any kind of motive to harm anyone. Just watch the videos and try to learn something. Let's start the video. Yes. So there is a Mr. Sunil,
Yes, sir.
who is the whose party name is VI.
Sir, yes, sir.
So I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That we have been just your name in the news that Sunil Kumar is going to field from the party of VIP.
Yes, sir.
So if I ask you, like, why you have been chosen for this election? What's the reason? What did you do for the party? Did you do something earlier? Why your name is going to be high? That you are going to be the party's candidate from this constituency. What's the reason? Why are you chosen by the government?
Sir, because I saw the many
Stand up. Stand up.
I saw many things that many leaders that propaganda is to every person that I will provide many things, but after became the election and the winner the election, and they don't provide to anything. That's why I choose the party.
You wanna say, like, there are so many candidates who won the election, and after winning the election they don't do anything as they promised before the election. So what's your expectation? What do you think that what would you do after winning the election?
Sir, after winning the election, say I will provide to each to every person's Skoda car, and per student say per month say I will provide 10,000 per month, and I will provide to each to every home say one workers. That's why.
Don't you think like you are providing a freebies, a lot of freebies, and nowadays you know very well that these freebies are not going to good for the public. Public are going to be lazy, and day by day, most of the candidates doing the same things. They are providing freebies, and the state government is in debt now. So you are going to do the same thing. So don't you think that the people will go against you, that he is also starting doing the same things, he is also providing the freebies? But definitely people are attracting towards you. There is no doubt. But on the other hand, your state, your government is going in the debt. So how will you overcome such kind of debt?
Sir, after winning the election, say I will open the many companies. Say therefore say villagers will not come to cities, and they can do the work say in village.
Okay. Okay. I will come to you after some time. Let's have a review from your public, that who are going to support you and who are not going to support you. Yes. So what do you think about this person, Mr. Sunil? Do you want to vote him or not?
No.
Why? What's the problem?
In last year we conduct the election in win the election.
Okay.
They not work on the city, and
Okay.
many places all road work is slow, and more of the work is slow.
Okay.
The public decide not the vote in election.
So according to you, who is going to win in this election? There is another candidate from the party of RSSP. Yes, stand up. I would like to have some words with you also. So what do you think, Prince? He is going to win the election according to you?
Yes,
Yes. Why? What he did for you?
they with the election they all work are fast, and school management work and study workers high,
Okay.
and more of the people work.
Okay. In this election, what is your expectation this time? That what he is going to do for you? Yes, yes, no issue, no issue. Keep on. In study, you can see in education area, you are just expecting a lot of things from your candidate.
they most of the government schools they not work the study. The people all time they sit in the bench and after a class they outside the school. But in the election came to win the another party. They
Okay.
government school condition is best.
Okay. What do you think as your opponent is saying that I am going to win the election? What do you think? Are you ready for winning the election?
Yes, I am ready for the election because all of you know that our party is known for its work. Because I have done many things to related our studies, education, and hospitalities. I I have invented. I have our party invented most of the schools and in this area.
Built most of this.
Built most of the hospital in this area, which is helpful for us public.
But you leaders are doing the same thing. When I asked the VIP leader, he also told the same thing. We have also built a lot of buildings, lot of schools, lot of hospitals. You are also saying the same things. So don't you think that you should come up with another idea?
Yes, they are the people who always talk anything, but didn't do anything.
Okay. Let me give some other reviews also. Yes. Achal, yes, stand up. What do you think? To whom you are going to cast the vote? VIP party or RSSP party?
Sir, VIP party.
VIP party, okay. According to you, VIP party candidate is better. Why?
VIP party is the candidate is the very better. Any facility is the school better. A school government schools that provide any facilities, and VIP party is the very.
Okay. Do you know the candidate of VIP party?
Yes, sir.
Did you meet earlier with him? Who has been crossed recently the 18-year plus. So now this is the first time that he is going to cast their vote. Yes. What do you think? Who is gonna win in this election?
VIP party.
VIP party. Oh my God. You are considered one of the best and one of the I think closest voter of the VIP party. Why do you want that VIP party must win?
Because VIP party take many schools for children,
Okay. Build many schools.
built many schools for children,
Okay.
and many celebrate
Okay.
in VIP
Okay.
and many malls they can build.
They built many malls, many schools, many schools. Or is there anything else? Did he do anything else? No. What do you expect from him after this election? He will do something for you or not?
Yes.
What?
School for the children.
Okay, that's great. Yes, let me have a review from here also. Yes, sir. What do you think? Who is gonna win? VIP or RSP?
You are winning in VIP.
VIP. Why?
Why are you?
Why? Why are you gonna just cast the vote to VIP party? What's the reason?
VIP party is a better party.
Okay,
You are not other party.
okay. Review, as we all know that I think there are so many supporters of the VIP party. So I think the time will say that who will win the election. But right now there are so number of people who are in support in the VIP party. So what do you think? Like there are so many supporters of VIP parties. Like there one another supporter also. I'm gonna ask you. Yes. Yashika. What do you think? Who is gonna win?
I think RSP
RSP. Okay.
going to be the winner because
Okay.
I have seen that many of the parties says that they will do many things, so many things, but they were not doing. But as I know that this party is going to be do many more things. That's why.
Okay. Now there are so many supporters. Like there are 50% in the favor of the RSP party and 50% of the VIP party. Yes, I think Azul want to say something. Yes.
Now you have also know that many persons say inside of me because I am so educated and RSS party person is so very cheater person.
Cheater person.
That's why.
Okay. How can you say this that RSP party says cheater person?
In last election, in last election he said that I will provide many schemes and I will launch many schemes like खूब पढ़ो खूब कमाओ योजना. But they didn't provide to they didn't launch to any part.
Let me have the review from that party also. Okay, I will come to you again. Yes. What I am listening from that party, they are just blaming on you. What did you didn't do anything? What are your expectations?
Because they didn't have any idea, so he is blaming me. That's why they know that they will not win the election. That's why he is blaming me.
That is the only reason they are blaming.
Yes.
Okay. What do you want to say about it?
But you can compare. You can do the compare. And he is very rich person. You can see the his house, her house. That
He has a big bungalow.
yes, this but